In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add digital creator as your account category in your Instagram bio. This enhances your professional identity and allows brands, collaborators, and followers to instantly recognize your niche, whether you're involved in video production, graphic design, or social media content. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. On your profile page, as you can see, I have the digital creator badge in my profile. Now if you tap into it, you explore all businesses in the same exact niche. So enabling this category increases your discoverability, as Instagram's algorithm can better match you with relevant opportunities and audiences. To get it, simply get back to your profile page and tap on Edit Profile. You will then scroll down onto the option of category. Select Digital Creator and tap on Done to save the changes. Still on the same page, head to Profile Display. Make sure to enable this option of Display Category Label and then tap on Done. The Digital Creator badge will display in your Instagram bio successfully. That's how easy it is to add digital creator in your bio on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.